everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another cleaning video, and if you can see, Lily is right there. She's eating her lunch. She just woke up from a nap, and so she's going to be my cleaning buddy. My house is destroyed, and I mean destroyed. I was not feeling the best yesterday, and so I didn't do anything all day long, and I mean like all day. And so I have a huge mess to clean up, and I wasn't feeling the best today. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but I threw some makeup on, made some TikTok videos. If you're interested in that, I'll link it down below. But I knew if I didn't get up and get myself presentable, then I wouldn't do anything today either. And when you see my house, you'll know that it needs to be cleaned. So I'm not going to keep talking. I want to keep this intro short because, like I said, there's a lot to do. And so let's just go ahead and get started. Say let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guess not.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But
this living room was giving me such anxiety. I knew I just had to jump in here and get it done. And if you can see, I thought it was so cute, but Lily was trying to help me. I don't know if it was much of a help, but it was cute to watch.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. I can move a little closer without letting him see.
I'm not sure what happened to the clip of me picking up the rest of the living room, but as you can see here in a minute, I did just pick up everything, and I didn't vacuum yet because when John got home from school, the kids started playing with Play-Doh, and so I figured I would just wait, but the living room already looks so much better than what it did. So, parenting hack, the kids did not want to go clean up the mess in Lily's room that they created, so I told them that they could be in the video and I would film them if they would go clean it up, and sure enough, they were excited to do that, and they went right in there, and obviously Lily's not doing much of being a help, but John was excited to be on camera, as you can see.
He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free.
As you can tell, the room's not perfect, but John did do a good job picking most of it up, and it won't take me long to jump in here and finish cleaning, but we did have dinner plans, so we had to get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that notification bell is turned on so you are notified when I upload. It does help me out a lot, and I would really appreciate it, and we cannot wait to see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
Just to see all my friends running around the city.